Let's take a look at what is a resource within Google Cloud Platform. So a resource is an entity that you can create, manage, or use within your cloud environment. And there are two main types of resources. The first being service level resources. This is what you think of when you think of resources in any other provider. It's the actual things that you're launching, such as the virtual machines, your storage, or your databases. And the other one are account level resources. Now, I put an asterisk on it because I don't like calling these resources, but that is just the name that Google defines them as. And so I'm being very explicit to give you Google's language. But other providers, I don't think we would call those resources. It would just be ways of logically grouping your actual resources together. But let's make it clear what they are. So this is where we have your organization, your folders, your projects, and these are logical grouping, a way of logically grouping your service level resources so that you can organize them. Okay, so hopefully that's really clear. But when you think of a resource, I just want you to think of service level resources, and that's how I'm going to treat the language throughout this course. Is when I say resources, I'm just talking about service level resources, and I'm not going to call account level resources. Okay.